You load 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I owe my soul to the company store. Hey, welcome to the Blue Garden. To the Blue Garden. Big surprise today. We got a delivery. A special solution here. Got here early, 7:41. You see it. Line is starting to form. Special drop off. Okay, you got coffee and donuts. Alright, as you see down there, we're getting a special delivery. Let's see how they do it.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you doing today?
Good, thank you. And there you go. You got the black gold. Oh, it's hard to see. Look at that steam. Guys are talking about the smell there, but look at that, just rich black gold. Oh, now you get the smell. Look at the steam. That thing is fresh. This is better than store-bought. Smell that earthly tone. I just had my breakfast burrito and smelling this stuff. Not too bad. Like they say, it doesn't smell bad, it smells earthly. Alright, here we go. All black gold.
Something apple, baby. Practice. I know.
Take a look at that bed. It's full to the top of the rim. Now that is what you call excellent job. Alright, the next step is to bring this home and spread it out on the blue garden. So I hope to see you there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you'd like to get some of this stuff. Well, here we are at the blue garden. You can see we got a big pile of compost. You can see how I put all along the fence, the bushes, hedges here, and the mango tree, and all over the front yard. Right there. And there I am. Welcome all to the blue garden. Alright, here we are. We spread the compost all around the grass area. Spread it all along the area. Here we are. You can see how the yard is nicely spread with the compost. We got good coverage. All the trees and shrubs got their share. Even this palm tree got the nutrients that it needed. If you cannot distribute all your compost, be sure to cover it with a tarp so it doesn't get dried up, and be sure to water it so it stays nice and moist. You see there how we put all over the grass to help it out, and we even got some on the mango to help it out, get some nutrients in there. Please, if you can, I'm only 10 subscribers short of getting 100 subscribers. So if you can, please subscribe and take a look at our new 5-part series on microorganisms. You will find it very fascinating. Part 2 will go up this week. Thank you very much for joining us here at the Blue Garden.